let's look at gold. Gold hits the all-time high yesterday. Okay, and now we are like this daily open candle has been bullish as well, but I don't think this candle is gonna go anywhere. Why? You can see here the 5-day EMA is just at this corner, and also the 13-day EMA is at this corner. So we're gonna see some sort of pullback, if not today, maybe tomorrow, back towards this area. But what I want to us to look at is simple, because looking at this candle is like, okay, we are bullish, not like we're bullish, we are bullish based on that candle. And what I want to see is simple. I want to make sure that what price is doing on the 4 hours time frame want to reflect to what we've discussed in previous price action. Remember, I told you guys that this 4 hours candle, we should be expecting at least price to reject this key level. And you can see, even though we are up today, we haven't seen like that sustainable movement to the upside throughout the day. So if we now go based on session on times, we want to see what has been going on throughout the session. You can see clearly, based on this session, there is this huge vector candle here, which it occurred not so long ago. Now, if we're gonna see price break and close below the value area low, then we might be expecting the market makers to either reject, like price should reject from the 50-day moving average on the 15 minutes time frame. And if that's gonna be the case, if we see price rejecting here, which I think is going to happen, then maybe from there we can expect the move to continue to the upside. Okay, but if we look at the 4 hours time frame, based on what I mentioned, price, at least cooling down towards this moving averages, then because we have been moving sideways here, we might see price for the price of gold, move like drop a little bit down to 4,400, okay, or let's say 4,431 price point. But what I want us to establish here is a zone where we can trade. So whatever price is gonna do here, okay, we want to see price break and close below the alpha trend. So whatever price is gonna be doing around this range, what I want to see to confirm that we might visit this low here, this zone here where we're gonna be looking for that trade. I want to see price at least do something like this, break with volume, close below the alpha trend, go back a little bit, then drop towards this 50-day moving average. If this is going to be the case, then I'm going to confirm that we are going to at one point visit this liquidity down here before continuation back towards that area. Right. This is how I want to see my price move. So the moment we're going to break and close below this zone, I'm buying, or it can just come straight down here. I'm buying when I see price get back here or half of this move. I'm gonna buy, something like this. Then my stop loss above. Not like buy. I'm gonna short. Gold right down here. Then when I see price here, I'm gonna long gold back up here. So this is the range I'm gonna be looking at the buy. This is the range. Sorry, the short, where I'm gonna short gold. And this is the range I'm gonna look at the long. So I'm gonna look at my long here, I'm gonna look at shorts here, and all based on the session times, right? But I'm seeing here on the session time that throughout the Asian session, price has been moving sideways, and even throughout the UK session, price has been moving sideways, consolidating sideways. So if we see US open and break close below, which is gonna happen, I think, then we want to see price at least get towards